Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to turn off auto brightness in Windows 11. So how can do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So let's start. The first of all, in the search box type edit power plan. Go to your edit power plan. Go to your change advanced power settings, scroll down and click on a display. After opening the display, um, turn off the enable adapter brightness. After I click on OK button and close it. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your display, and after that uncheck the help improve battery by optimizing the content show and brightness. After I close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this set your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.